Welcome on the AllCAD channel. I would like to introduce our video class Start with ProLace. You will learn all what you need for a smooth start. First you will learn how to set up a design and to import the sketch. We will show you how to use zoom and pan to define a view. You will learn to use Object Snap to create accurate designs. We will teach how to trace the sketch with the basic design tools line, arc, polyarc, polygon and so on. You will learn the tools to edit the design, and how to select entities for editing. You will learn to use trim functions to clean up your design. Finally, we will show you how to work with layers. After the course, you should be able to start drawing your own designs. We are looking forward to welcome you in our class.